Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is crispy fried chicken at home or KFC style chicken at home. This is the easiest and best recipe as it has the spicy Indian touch to the chicken. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. All the ingredients are listed here and also in the description box. Before we move on, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Do like, comment and share. So let's get started. Here I have taken 800 grams of cleaned chicken. To this add half cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of oregano or mixed herbs, half teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, two teaspoons of pepper powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix the chicken well and let it marinate for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Cover the chicken and let this sit in the refrigerator. Now let's prepare our flour mixture. To a bowl add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, half teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as per taste, and half teaspoon of baking powder. I'm transferring this to a larger bowl so that it becomes easy for me to mix everything well. Now, after 3 hours of refrigeration, our chicken has marinated well. Now, take the marinated chicken and coat it with the flour mixture like this. And place it on a tray. Likewise, coat the rest of the pieces. So this is our first coating. So our first coating is done. Now I am going to do the second coating. For that I have taken a bowl of cold water and the flour mixture. Now dip the flour coated chicken in cold water for 3 seconds. Then add it to the flour mixture and coat it again like this. Doing this will make a crust on the chicken, and it's done. Likewise, repeat the process. With this, our second coating is also done. Now heat oil in a kadai. The temperature of the oil must be medium hot and not very hot. Do not fry more than 3 to 4 pieces at a time, because crowding the pan with chicken will lower the oil's temperature. Cover it with a lid and fry for 3 to 4 minutes, and then flip it to the other side. It's very important to maintain the oil's temperature. If it is very hot, the chicken will turn dark on the outside, but it will remain uncooked on the inside. Fry the chicken till it turns golden in color. So our crispy fried chicken is done. Now remove from oil and place it on a wire rack. I'm not using tissue paper as it makes the chicken soggy. Now time to check. You can see it's crispy from the outside and soft and juicy from the inside. A close look. The crisp is just perfect from the outside and it's succulent from the inside. So our KFC style chicken at home is ready. You can serve this with mayonnaise or ketchup. Do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out for you. If you like this recipe, then do give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you're new on my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. I thank each one of you for your love and support. Thank you so much. Happy cooking!